Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious litchi milkshake at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of fresh or canned litchis, peeled and deseeded. Next, grab 1 cup of cold milk, preferably whole milk for a creamier texture. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of sugar, which you can adjust to your sweetness preference. Finally, a half teaspoon of vanilla extract will enhance the flavor, and ice cubes are optional for extra chill. Now, let's get to the fun part, preparation. Begin by carefully peeling and deseeding your litchis. This step is crucial for a smooth shake. Once prepared, add the litchis, cold milk, sugar, and vanilla extract into your blender. If you're using ice, add it now. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 60 to 90 seconds, or until the mixture is completely smooth and creamy. Remember to scrape down the sides if necessary to ensure everything is well combined. Achieving the perfect consistency is key to a great litchi milkshake. After the initial blend, give it a quick taste. If you prefer it sweeter, add another half tablespoon of sugar and blend again. For a thinner shake, simply add a splash more milk. If you like it thicker, toss in a few extra ice cubes and blend until smooth. The goal is a creamy, lump-free texture that's just right for you. This quick adjustment ensures your milkshake is exactly how you like it. Your delicious homemade litchi milkshake is now ready to be enjoyed. Carefully pour the creamy mixture into 2 tall glasses. For an extra touch of elegance, you can garnish each glass with a fresh litchi or a small sprig of mint. Serve your milkshake immediately to savor its refreshing chill and vibrant flavor. This easy method allows you to create a delightful and healthy beverage in just a few minutes, perfect for any time of day. Enjoy your refreshing treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.